Hello, it's Darren. Just doing another stock analysis here on Baidu, which is a Chinese internet service provider. I took a symbol BIDU. You can see here on the 30-minute chart, we've had some consolidation for quite a while now, since February. My indicators here spotted the top pretty accurately, and it's moved lower. So there's been several chances to enter on short-term trades on these pullbacks, but the overall trend is still down. We've got nice consolidation here though. I've reached a fair value, so I'll be taking a position there. I'm not obviously giving financial advice. Do your own trading at your own risk. But this will be my first position, and then if it continues lower, I'll enter those positions subsequently to that. The company is extremely strong. We've got 74.2 billion market capitalization, and we've got assets and liabilities well covered. So assets far exceed their liabilities. So solid financials on it. Large market cap. It's got modest growth for the year ahead. They've had fantastic growth last year, so it's pretty solid. The only thing I would say on it is, personally, I don't particularly like the company. It's just something about it I don't like. I don't particularly like the way the stock has traded here. It's very boom and bust, so we've seen this a lot. But when you've got a consolidation like this and it's still got solid financials, it can be a good time to invest. But I don't particularly have an affinity for the company. I just really want to trade it, get some money out of it, and sell it again. So I'm not really into this. It could be a long-term growth potential on this one. All the fundamentals seem solid, indicating that, but it's not something personally that I'm interested in. So anyway, we've just taken a little bit more of a look at it. Let's have a look on Simply Wall Street. We've got the summary here. So we've got a good bit of value, and we've got future growth, modest, and the health of the company looks extremely good. So that's all very nice. The valuation side, it's 50% undervalued. I think that's a bit off, but judging on the technicals, we look back over the technicals, we could quite easily see some upside to this. However, from a technical perspective, this is giving me concern. We could see a little bit more downside coming up. It's all gone very flat, so there is potential for it to go further down. In the short to medium term, I believe we're going to see a move up. Just a short move up here, probably about 10 to 20% again. So that would be what I'm looking for on this one. These lines still very in amongst the average, so it could potentially go either way, but we're looking oversold on the oscillators, so it'll be a good position for me to take as a starting point. So we'll just go back to the 30-minute. It gives a bit of overview of the market on the 30-minute on this perspective. So we'll switch back over. The financial health, like I was saying, assets well covered, their liabilities in short and long term. So no worries on that front. It's just their future growth potential. We'll switch over to there. Altman Z is at safe level, so we've got good profitability. Altman Z is safe, so there's no reason not to take positions here. We can see fundamentally it's solid. It's just from my personal perspective, wouldn't be my favourite position, which is why I'm just taking a short one on this. However, when you see this kind of movement down here, we've had really just a spike and a crash. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to carry on going down and plummet down to the bottom. Okay, we've got good fundamental reasons to enter, and just because I don't personally like the company does not mean they won't grow in the future. It's just not one I'm particularly interested in holding for a long period of time. So that's my perspective on Baidu. Please like and subscribe. Give me some feedback on what you think of the video content, and I'll talk to you soon.